Hey, this is Mike from Altair Aerial here in Lincoln, Nebraska, and I have the Outlaw SE here, and I'm just going to show you how to quickly and easily connect the controller to the drone. So step one is to press the lock control on the controller, lock button on the controller, and turn it on at the same time. Get a red blinking light here. Plug the battery into the drone. You'll hear those sounds. Lock it. You need to wait about 8 seconds now for it to connect, and then you'll hear a double beep. After that, you simply rotate 3 times horizontally until the light colors change from yellow to green. It's another green. Point the camera straight up, rotate vertically 3 times until the lights change from green to yellow and red. Yellow and red. You're ready to fly. Press the lock button to unlock the propellers. Then you're ready to go. Just make sure you're outside.